Welcome to the Guidance for Light and Sound Meditation video series with Mark from PureEnergyMeditation.com. This is video number 7 of 45. Okay, so now we're going to start to explore different types of meditation. And as you've already realised, depending on what you're paying attention to, really kind of defines the different types of meditation. So if you're giving your attention to a candle, that's kind of open-eyed candle meditation. If you're giving your attention to a mandala or a picture, then that's a different thing. And then there's the more eye-closed traditional forms of meditation, for example breath meditation, relaxation meditation, mantra meditation. So we're going to start to break these down and really have a play with each of them so that you can have an experience. I'm pretty sure some of them, if you've done any meditation, may be familiar to you. Other parts of them may be completely new. So just as before I said, it doesn't really matter what you've done in the past. The most important thing is now. And that means that it doesn't matter how many times you may have meditated in the past. The next meditate, the one you're about to do, is really the first meditation you've ever done. Because meditation is all about being in the present, in the now. So the past is in the past, let's leave it there. And let's go into this next meditation, which is going to be an exploration of breath with the attitude of love that we described earlier, which is to just be accepting, to just be open, non-judgmental, and just whatever presents itself, just enjoy. So making sure that you're sitting comfortably. If you need to pause the video while you get comfortable, feel free to do so. And when you're ready and you're nice and comfortable in your sacred space, then simply close your eyes. If you haven't already done so, then simply close your eyes and allow your awareness to go more inside as your body relaxes, and allow more of your awareness to rest on your breath as you breathe in through your nose, gently, deeply, allowing the breath to flow deeper into your body, filling your belly, comfortably full. And then breathing out, simply letting go. There's no need to push the breath out, because as you let go of the breath simply leaves, creating a stillness, an emptiness, letting go of those things you no longer need. And some people say that as you breathe in, you're breathing in fresh energy. And so the breath allows us to balance and energize and let go and empty. And the more we balance the two parts of the breath, then the more balance we can explore, enjoy, and experience. So the breath flows in through the nose, deep into the body, using the belly to allow the breath to become deeper, gently and softly. Letting go by simply letting go, allowing the breath to return back up and out through the nose. And as we breathe in, we're forming one half of a circle. And as we breathe out, we're completing the circle. And so in this way, the in-breath and the out-breath are constantly flowing one into the other. Never a pause, always moving, and yet creating more balance and stillness. So as you breathe in, allow the breath to be comfortably full, and as you let go, allow yourself to become comfortably empty. And when you're comfortably empty, then the in-breath will start again, flowing from one to the other. And when you're comfortably full, then the out-breath, the letting go, will automatically happen, flowing from being full to being empty. And so just sit for a while and allow the breath to find a natural rhythm of flowing in and leaving, flowing in and leaving. And as you do, then that part of you that's here in this space can just relax and enjoy breathing in this particular way. Noticing the breath and letting go. And as you notice the breath, then you can simply relax even more, becoming stiller, still, now. And keeping your eyes closed, simply stop. The breath can return to normal. And that part of you that's here in this space can simply be present, observing, noticing, being. And taking a deeper breath, allow your awareness to feel your body as you fill up with fresh energy. And as you let go, give yourself permission to really let go, becoming even more relaxed, so that with the next few breaths you can begin to include your awareness of your body and the room around you in a relaxed, gentle way, staying still on the inside. And when you're ready, you can simply open your eyes and sit in stillness for a moment to just observe, being present now. Okay, so that was breath meditation, and in particular that was the circular breath, which is a really nice way of just creating simple balance and really just starting to connect with the breath. In future videos we're going to look at other forms of breathing. So for now really I just want to make sure that you are comfortable with the circular breath. So as you're breathing in through your nose, and you're allowing the breath to flow all the way down deep into your belly. And as you're breathing out, you're letting go from the belly all the way back out through your nose. And the in-breath and the out-breath are balanced, and that's what creates a circle. So however quickly you breathe in, you match the out-breath. And generally what you find over time is that by slowing down, you can become a little bit deeper and start to notice what it's like to just relax and go more inside. And where your attention is when you're doing this breathing, it's very much on the breath, in a relaxed way, okay? So that was a circular breathing. You can do as much or as little as you like. I encourage you to really start to just practice the things that you're learning regularly, make it part of your daily routine. When people ask me how much should I do, I always say as much as you can comfortably. If you want to do 20 minutes, do 20 minutes. If you can do more, do more. With anything, whether it's the breath or a mantra, it's also nice at the end just to stop with your eyes closed and just sit in stillness. Because remember, behind everything is stillness, and stillness is really just another way of saying love. So behind everything is love. So practice this breathing, and then after a certain amount of time, just stop and just sit and be for a little while and just enjoy the stillness that you're in. And we'll see how it goes from there. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really hope you found it enjoyable but also useful. If you've not already done so, then check out the first video that I did and then all the subsequent videos, because watching them in the order that they're presented, you'll get the most benefit from them. As with all the other things I do, including the teaching, MP3 downloads, articles and the ebook, everything I do for free. And I put it out there simply to help people just like you to get the most from their meditation. So please do feel free to share this video with others. And if you've not already had a look, then head on over to my website, where you'll find lots of downloads, useful articles, and even a free ebook. And most importantly, enjoy meditating and putting into practice these different techniques and things that we're learning. Thank you again for taking the time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.